Good morning and warm greetings for the day. Today is celebrated as National Mathematics Day in India to commemorate the birth anniversary of the greatest mathematical genius, Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was born in Erode in Tamil Nadu in 1887. His unparalleled contribution to mathematics inspire young scholars and young minds across the globe even today. We at Birla Balika Vidyapeeth celebrate his birthday by motivating our children to participate in various interesting activities. We have conducted Rangometry for the junior school children, which is an art integrated project, and then posters, which are sketches of the mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan by the middle school children. Then we have conducted an online symposium for the secondary section, and this is an event for the senior section where we are conducting an inter-house online mathematics panel quiz named Hunky Brains. I, Mrs. Achla Verma, Senior Academic Coordinator and Quiz Master, welcome all of you on behalf of Birla Balika Vidyapeeth Mathematics Department for the Inter-House Panel Quiz 2020. Great leaders don't tell you what to do. They show you how it's done. One such leader is our beloved principal, Dr. M. Kasturi, who dreams big for every teacher and every student of the school. She is the guiding force behind these innovative activities organized by the school. I welcome you, ma'am, for the event. I also welcome Mrs. Usha Dhaka, HOD Mathematics and co-convener of the event. Ms. Charu Surana, a dynamic student of class 12th and band leader, will be acting as the scorer today. Can I hear you, Charu?
Good morning, ma'am.
Ms. Kashish Jain, class 12th, is the timekeeper and will ensure that we will not exceed with time.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Let me introduce all of you with today's participants, that is mathematicians of Birla Balika Vidyapeeth. First is maths genius from Champak House, Miss Akshita Pawar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Khushi Khudania.
Good morning, ma'am.
Great. Second is the maths genius from Bakul House, Tanushri Halan.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone.
Good. Next is Anvesha Agrawal.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Then from Parijat House, the mathematicians are Soumya Nagpal.
Pleasant morning, dear ma'am and all of you.
Good morning, beta. Jyoti Agarwal.
Good morning, teachers.
From Kamal House, our maths genius are Vinita Bugalia.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tulsi Agarwal.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, beta. May I now request Usha ma'am to enlighten us about the mathematician who knew infinity, an incredible mathematician of all time, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Usha ma'am, please.
Thank you, Achla. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Dr. M. Kasturi, and dear children. Today, Birla Balika Vidyapeeth is celebrating National Mathematics Day to pay regards to the great Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan, who knew infinity. A great mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan, born on 22nd December 1887 in Tamil Nadu. He started his schooling in 1892. When he was just 7 years old, one of his teachers said that when 0 is divided by any number, answer is always 0. Then Ramanujan immediately asked whether 0 divided by 0 gives 0. Ramanujan compiled around 3,900 results consisting of equations and identities. One of his most important findings was infinite series for pi. This series forms the basis of many algorithms we use today. He gave several formulas to calculate the digits of pi in many ways. He discovered a long list of new ideas to solve many challenging mathematical problems, which gave a significant encouragement to the development of game theory. At very young age, he began developing his theories in mathematics and published his first paper in 1911. The field of number theory in mathematics was enriched with his research and his vast contributions. He gave 120 theories on simple divisibility properties. In 1918, he was elected one of the youngest fellows in the history of Royal Society for his investigations in elliptic function and theory of numbers. Every year, Birla Balika Vidyapeeth celebrates 22nd December as National Mathematics Day to pay regards to the great Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan and his contributions in the field of mathematics. The main objective behind celebrating this day is to raise awareness in the students about the importance of mathematics in their life. Thank you.
There are 4 rounds in the quiz. The round 1 is based on knowledge-based questions, and the questions will require formula or reasoning along with answers. Round 2 would be an application-based questions where you need to solve and answer using the concept of mathematics. Round 3 will be based on the mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Round 4 will be a rapid fire round based on evaluation, that is calculation-based questions, and speed also will be checked. In round 1 and 2, each team will be asked 2 questions and each correct answer will carry 10 points and a wrong answer will deduct 2 points. And in round 3, 1 question for each team would be asked with the same rules. The team will get 30 seconds to answer 1 question of round 1 and round 3. Whereas in round 2, we will be giving you 40 seconds to answer each question. If the team does not know the answer for a question, the question will pass to the next team. If a question is not passed, if the question is passed, no points will be deducted, and the team that gives the correct answer will get 5 points, and wrong answer, there will not be any deduction of marks. Round 4 is the rapid fire round. Each team will have to answer 5 questions in 3 minutes, as you suggested yesterday. After I complete reading the 5 questions, you will get 3 minutes. Okay? Then each correct answer will be awarded 5 points, and the questions in this round cannot be passed. Scores will be announced at the end of each round by the scorer, and certificate of achievement will be given to each participant during the school prize distribution ceremony. Okay, I think the rules are clear to all of you. Best of luck, children.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the first question to Champak House. Integrate e to the power 5 log x minus e to the power 4 log x upon e to the power 3 log x minus e to the power 2 log x.
Ma'am, 1/3 x cube plus c is the answer.
Yes, that's the right answer, and they get full points. Very good. We go to the next team, that is Bakul House. Second question goes to Bakul House, which says integrate secant square x upon root of tan square x plus 4 dx. Time up. So the question passes to the next team, that is Parijat House.
So the answer is 1 upon 2 tan inverse tan x upon 2 plus c.
Sorry, Soumya, that's not the right answer. So the question passes to Kamal House, Vinita Bugalia and Tulsi.
Ma'am, the answer is x upon 4.
I'm so sorry.
Time up.
Time up. So the question passes to the first team, back to Champak House. Khushi Khudania and Akshita Pawar.
Ma'am, the answer is ln tan x plus under root tan square x plus 4 plus c.
Very good. That's the right answer. 5 points will be given to Champak House. Okay. We move to the next question. And this is for Parijat House. Integrate sine to the power 6x upon cos to the power 8x dx.
Ma'am, the answer is tan x to the power 7 upon 7 plus c.
Very good. That's the right answer. Full points for Parijat House. The next question is for Kamal House. Integrate log sin x upon tan x dx.
Cos square x by 2 plus c.
Say properly.
Cos square x by 2 plus c.
Time up.
I'm sorry, that's not the right answer. The question passes to Champak House. Akshita and Khushi.
Ma'am, the answer is minus 1 by 2 upon 1 minus sine x plus 1 by 2 ln in mod 1 minus sine x upon 1 plus sine x plus c.
Oh my God, very long answer.
Time up.
So we pass the question to the, that's not the right answer, beta. It passes to the next team, that is Bakul House.
Ma'am, I think it is tan x plus c.
That's the final answer.
Time up.
Time up. So the question passes to the next team, that is Parijat
Ma'am,
House.
the answer
And
is
the
log
answer is log sin x whole square upon 2 plus c.
divided by 2.
Very good.
Divided by 2 plus c.
Yes. Very good. Both have answered correctly. So bonus points for Parijat House. So the question goes to Champak House now. The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y equal to 1 is? Akshita and Khushi.
Ma'am, it will be y into e to the power x is equal to e to the power x plus c.
Y into
Y e to the power x is equals to e to the power x plus c.
okay. I give that. That's the right answer. Very good, full points. We go to the next team, that is Bakul House. Bakul House, come on, buck up. The general solution of the differential equation y log y dx minus x dy equal to 0 is?
Log x minus log y, that is x upon y equals to c.
Check your solution again. You have some more.
Time up.
It is only half correct, Tanushri. The question passes
Ma'am,
to
the time is
Parijat
up.
House. The question passes to Parijat House.
Ma'am, the answer is y into log x plus c is equal to 1.
Ma'am, the answer is log x plus c c is equal to log into log y.
Yeah, that's not into log y. Yeah, I give you that.
Okay.
That's the right answer. It is log of log y is equal to log x plus c. You could have written the constant in terms of log also, and you could answer it as log y equal to cx. That is also
Yes, ma'am.
okay. That's the right answer. The bonus points for Parijat House. The question was originally for Bakul House. Now we move on to the next team, that is Parijat. Okay, the question is particular solution of the differential equation cos dy by dx equal to a when y is 1 and x is 0.
Ma'am, y is equal to x cos
Time
inverse.
up.
Yeah, I can give you that. Answer it, Soumya.
Okay, so ma'am, we can have the answer y is equal to x cos inverse a plus c. So the answer will be y is equal to x cos inverse a plus 1.
Yeah, that's the right answer. Full points for Parijat House. We move to Kamal House now. Find the integrating factor of this linear differential equation. Vinita and Tulsi.
Time up.
Sin x
Yes, I give you. If you are answering,
sin x power whole square.
see properly. Time up, beta. It passes to the Champak House. I give it to Akshita. You can tell your answer.
Ma'am, sec square x plus c.
Will there be a C in integrating factor?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
sorry,
integrating
sec
factor
square
will be
x.
I give
power
it
y
to
square.
Champak House. It is secant square x. It is e to the power 2 integral
Y
10 x Khushi. So that becomes secant square x. Okay. I give it Champak House the bonus points. So that is the end of the first round. Let's have the scores from the scorer. Charu.
Champak needs 30 points.
Oh, wow, that's great. Then
Bakul House has opened their account with a debit balance that is -4.
my Bakul House, Bakab children, Parijat House,
Parijat 30.
30. Great.
Yes, ma'am. And Kamal is -4 again.
-4 again. Okay. So we have Bakul and Kamal getting same marks and Champak and Parijat getting same marks. Okay, children. Bakab, let's see in second round you'll do better. Don't worry. So round 2 is solve and score. You need to solve. And we are going to give you 40 seconds now. Kashish, please remember 40 seconds and I begin with Bakul House now. Evaluate this. Your time will start now. Integral 0 to pi e to the power cos x upon e to the power cos x plus e to the power minus cos x dx. Bakul House.
Time up.
Bakul House. Can I know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give the answer. It's time up, beta. Do you know the answer? The question passes to Parijat House.
Ma'am, the answer is pi.
Pi by 2.
Yes, pi by 2 is the correct answer. I give it to Parijat House the bonus points of 5. Okay, the next question is for Parijat House. Evaluate 0 to 4 absolute of x minus 1.
Time up.
Have the answer.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, the answer is -1 plus 2 plus 4. It is -1 plus 5 is 4.
I can't give that. That's not the right answer. The question passes to
Ma'am, -3.
keep trying.
Time up.
Ma'am, 19 by 2.
No, dear, I can't give that. I'm
Ma'am, 11 by 2.
It passes to the Champak House, and Khushi is already giving the answer, but you can try more, check your work.
Ma'am, -4.
Ma'am, it is 9/2.
Somewhere you're making a calculation error, my dear.
Time up.
Time up.
Ma'am, 5.
Yes, that's the right answer. I give it to Champak House. Okay, the bonus marks. Now we move on to the next question, which is for this is for Champak House. Integral pi/2 to pi e to the power x 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus cos x dx.
Time up.
Time up. The question passes to Bakul House. Tanushri and Anvesha.
Ma'am, e to the power x tan square x by 2 plus c.
You didn't apply the limit, my dear. Yeah? Louder.
E to the power x plus c.
There won't be a C. There are limits there.
Ma'am,
Apply
x
the
to
limit.
ma'am pi/2.
Ah. You give the answer full once. Correct answer you give.
Ma'am, the answer is pi/2.
How can the answer be pi/2?
Time up.
So the question passes to the next house, that is again Parijat House.
Ma'am, the
Time
answer
up.
is 5.
The question
Ma'am, the answer is
it will pass to the next team. Kamal House, Vinita and Tulsi.
Ma'am, e to the power pi/2.
Yes, there you are right. It is minus e to the power pi/2, but you're very close
yes,
to the answer. So I am giving it to Kamal House. They have opened their account. The next goes to Bakul House. Children, buck up. You can answer this question. Try it.
Time up.
Okay, Tanushri. Any answer?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes, you have to.
Ma'am, it is 2 sine inverse root 3 minus 1/2.
Yes, that's the right answer at last. 10 points to Bakul. Good, good. We move to the next. Now these are area bounded questions. The question goes to Parijat House. It is a parabola with x square equal to 4y equation, and we have two lines, y equal to 2, y equal to 4. You have to find the area in the shaded region.
Ma'am, the time is up.
Yeah, the time up. So the question passes to Kamal House.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, time is up.
ma'am, its answer is 12.
The answer is no, dear. Not 12. The question passes to Champak House.
Ma'am, the answer is 32 minus 8 root 2 by 3, whole by 3.
Check it again, beta.
Sorry, ma'am, it will be 64 minus 16 root 2 whole by 3.
Very good. That's the right answer. We give it to Champak House. This was a past question.
Yes, ma'am.
It was actually for Parijat House, and Champak has answered. So now the next question goes to Kamal House. Find the area of the shaded region. Kamal House, Vinita and Tulsi.
Time up.
I'm up. Kamal House, Vinita and Tulsi, give me the answer. Vinita and Tulsi. You're not answering, Vinita and Tulsi. I'm passing it to the next house. Hello, Vinita.
Ma'am, I'm halfway.
No, it will pass, beta. The question will pass to Champak house.
Ma'am, 16 by 6.
16 by 6 for this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I pass the question to the next house. What about the time? What is the timekeeper doing? I think it's time up.
Ma'am, she's unable to hear you, so she's rejoining.
Ma'am, can we still answer?
No, the question passes to the next team, Bakul house. You're not audible, Tanushri.
Ma'am, 14 by 3 square units.
So this is the question for Champak house. Evaluate the area of the shaded region.
Time up.
Time up. Champak, are you ready with the answer or do we pass it?
Ma'am, it is -2.
Check properly. Can the area be minus?
No, ma'am, it is 2. Sorry.
Yes, it is 2
Plus-
square units. I give it to Champak house. The next question is also for Champak house. Evaluate the area of the shaded region. The point is 0 to 4. I mean the circle is on 0 to 4 on x-axis.
Ma'am, 2 pi.
Ma'am, it is pi units.
2 pi square units. That's the right answer. So both the questions, they have answered correctly. I hope, Charu, you're ready with this course now.
Ma'am, in this round, Champak scored 30 again.
No, you have to tell me the total.
It's a total. Okay, then it's 60.
60. Very good. Then next.
Which house next? Okay,
Bakul.
Bakul is 11.
11. How come it's an odd
Yeah.
number?
Ma'am, 11, how we scored 2 times, 10 2 times. One Anvesha gave and one I gave.
If it was a past question, 5 marks you are getting.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So 15 they got in this round and -4 in that round.
Okay. Next.
Parijat 33.
House.
And Kamal, in the previous round, Kamal -4, and in this round, they answered one past question. So total is 1.
1. Okay, fine. We move to round 3. Don't worry, children, you can do better, Kamal house. Don't worry. Round 3 is on the mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan. Okay. Now, this question goes to Parijat house. We begin with Parijat house. Name any 2 contributions by the mathematician Srinivas Ramanujan.
Ma'am, 30 seconds, right?
Yeah, 30 seconds.
Infinite series,
Yes.
ma'am, then the Ramanujan conjecture.
Okay. Any 2 contributions? I give that 10 points. Parijat house. We move to the next. What is the significance of this magic square which is for the Kamal house? Vinita and Tulsi.
Ma'am, I think so. When we are adding rows, columns, and diagonals, the sum is equal.
Ma'am, should I?
Yes.
Champak house.
Ma'am, can I?
Half correct. No, they are answering now. Half correct. What is that total?
Ma'am,
Ma'am. Ma'am, the total. Ma'am,
Can Champak House answer?
Ma'am, can we answer?
Let him answer. Let Kamal answer.
ma'am, actually, I'm not able to see the digits.
22, 12, 18, 87. That is the first row.
Okay.
Ma'am, 119.
You didn't do it correctly.
Ma'am, it is 139.
Yeah. And you can see the date of birth of the mathematician, 22nd December 1887. That is the first row. And those colored
Yes,
points, pink, all pinks you add and see what are you getting? 18, 25, 10 and 86.
11. Ma'am, 139.
Yes, the same total. And look at the blues. They are also giving the same total. 88, 12, 16 and 23.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's the beauty of this square. So it is called Ramanujan's magic square. Okay. Good. So we gave full 10 points to Kamal House. It was their question. Good. Now we move to the next. That is Champak House. What is the significance of the number 1729?
Ma'am, it was a
Ma'am,
taxi
can I-
number.
Yes, it was a taxi number. Good.
When
when-
Ramanujan when Hardy came to visit him by a taxi, he said that the number can be given by as the sum of two cubes and in two different ways.
Yes.
That is 1 cube plus 12 cube and 9 cube plus 10 cube
Very good. Very good.
of the number.
That's complete answer. 10 points to Champak House. Now we move to Bakul House. Who was Godfrey H. Hardy? Tanushri and Anvesha, can you tell me this? Who was this person?
When the Ramanujan went to Cambridge for studies, he met with her friend was there who named Godfrey H. Hardy and who helped him in his mathematical contribution. And when he was about to dying, he said his last word to his friend H. Hardy.
Okay. Anything else about Hardy you know?
Ma'am, he was his partner at the University of Cambridge. He recognized Ramanujan as an extra.
Why was he his partner? Who was he? Who was he? A mathematician's friend would be who?
Ma'am, a
I'm a
mathematician.
mathematician only who was studying with him in the University of Cambridge.
Yes, that's right. So he was a mathematician, and rest of the things you have said it right. We give you 10 points. Okay. Now we come to the end of the third round, and Charu, I hope the scores have improved now. All of them
Yes,
have
ma'am.
got their answers right in this round. So,
Yes, ma'am. So Team Champak got 70. Bakul is 21.
Yeah.
Parijat is 43.
Yes.
And D, the last house, 11.
Very good. So we move to the rapid fire round. Now this is where everything turns. It is all speed and how you will answer. Please back up, children. Those who want to change the result can change it now. Okay. So the first round of questions will go to Kamal House now. Okay. Vinita and Tulsi, please be active and answer quickly. You can answer any question among these 5 which you know correctly first, then you go for the remaining. Okay. So we begin with Kamal House. Rapid fire round. Okay. The time starts when after I read the questions. Okay. The first question, integrate -1 to 1 x to the power 17 cos to the power 4x dx. The second question, integral e to the power x plus x. That is in the power. Okay. E to the power x plus x dx. Then the third, what is the order and degree of the differential equation? d2y by dx square plus sine dy by dx minus 6y equal to 0. Fourth question, find the area of the circle x square minus 2x plus y square plus 4y equal to 44. And the fifth, integral 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. Yes. Your time has begun already.
Ma'am, I want to
Ma'am,
ask
first
something.
one is 0.
First one is 0. You get 5 points for that. Charu, please.
Ma'am, fifth one is tan inverse x plus 1.
Yes, fifth is tan inverse x plus 1 plus c. I give 5 points for that.
Ma'am, is there any negative marking in this round?
No, there
If
is
the
no
answer-
negative marking here.
Okay, ma'am.
Only the right ones will get marks, that's all.
Ma'am, in third one, order is 2 and degree is not defined.
Very good. Third is order is 2, degree not defined.
Second answer is e to the power ex plus c.
No.
Time up.
Ma'am, answer of second is e to the power x plus e to the power x upon e to the power x plus c.
Yes, that's right. 4 questions right. We move to the next house, Champak house. Hello, ma'am. Champak house, your questions begin. The first one is 0 to a root x upon root x plus root a minus x. The second question, cos 2x upon sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Third, identify the type of differential equation given by this expression dy by dx, x square plus 2xy upon y square. Fourth, find the area of the ellipse 9x square plus y square equal to 36. Fifth, integral x e to the power x upon 1 plus x whole square. Your time has begun.
Ma'am, the second answer is log cos x plus sin x plus c.
That's correct. 5 points.
Ma'am, the third answer is a variable separable.
No, that's not right.
Ma'am, the fifth answer is e to the power x upon x plus 1 plus c.
That's correct. 5 points more.
Ma'am, answer 1 is a by 2.
Correct. 5 points.
Ma'am, the third one is linear differential equation.
Time up.
No.
Ma'am, the fourth one is 12 units.
12 units. No.
Ma'am, time up.
That's all. Okay. Khushi, you could have you were left with only one more type. You could have said that also. That is the trick that you should use in quiz when I am giving you time to answer. You said variable separable. You said linear. And what was left to say? It was homogeneous. Then you should have said that also. Anyway, 3 right answers by Champak house. 15 points. We move to the next house, Bakul house. Yes, these are your questions, Bakul house. Integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine square x dx. And the second is integral sine square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 dx. The third, solve the differential equation. Fourth, find the area bounded by y equal to x cube, x-axis x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Fifth, integral x minus 3 e to the power x upon x minus 1 whole cube. Whichever you can answer first, answer that, okay?
Ma'am, third one is log y is equal to log x plus c.
That's right. 5 points.
Ma'am, first one is pi by 4 minus sin x by 2 plus c.
No.
Ma'am, answer of fourth question is 15 by 4 square units.
Correct answer. 5 points more.
Ma'am, first one is 0.
Oh dear. Not 0.
Ma'am, fifth one is e to the power x upon x minus 1 whole square plus c.
Yes, that's the right answer. It is not whole square. E to the power x upon x minus 1 plus c. I give 50% marks for this to 2.5 marks, Charu, for the fifth question.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, answer of first question is pi by 2 minus sin x plus c.
Check properly.
Ma'am, pi by 2 minus minus sin 2x. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, second one is 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 plus 1 by 2 sin square x by 2.
See properly again. 1 by 2 cos square.
Cos square x by 2 plus 1 by 2 sin square x by 2.
Oh, something.
Ma'am, pi by 2, first one, pi by 2 minus sin
Simplify
2x
that, Anvesha.
upon 2 plus c. Yes,
See,
ma'am.
Tanushri, its limits given, so it cannot be plus c. When the limits are
Ma'am,
given, no plus c.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, second one is minus 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 minus sin square x 1 by 2 sin square x by 2.
Plus c. Yes. See, there is a small calculation error that you are doing, Anvesha. It's almost right. It is simply minus sin x plus c because this is minus cos x. The whole thing is equal to only minus cos x. So I
Ma'am,
give
answer of
50%
first question
marks
is
for
pi
this.
by 2.
I can't give full marks. It will be 50% for the second question. Charu, please note it. 2.5.
Ma'am, answer of question number 1 is pi by 2 minus sin pi.
That's right. I give those marks.
Ma'am, time up.
Sin pi is how much?
Ma'am, 0.
So that is pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
Okay. So first question full marks, third and fourth full marks, second and fifth half, that makes it 5 marks. So total 20 for Bakul House. Okay. Now Parijat House, all the best. Do well here. You can change the whole story now if you want. These are your questions. The first one, 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power 3 by 7x upon sine to the power 3 by 7x plus cos to the power 3 by 7x dx. Second question, sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Third, the integrating factor of the differential equation dy by dx minus y by x equal to 2x is. Fourth, calculate the area bounded by the curve y equal to x square and the line y equal to 4. Fifth, integrate e to the power x minus 1 upon x square dx. Now your time begins.
Ma'am, the answer of question 1 is pi by 2.
Don't be in a hurry, Soumya.
Okay. Ma'am, the answer of question number 3 is minus log x.
No. Don't be in a hurry. Do it carefully with all the steps. You're getting 3 minutes.
Okay, ma'am, the answer of question 5 is ex 1 upon x plus c.
Correct. 5 points.
Okay.
Ma'am, answer of 4 is 32 by 3.
32 by 3. Do the next.
Ma'am, the answer of question 4 is 64 upon 3.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, the answer of question number 3 is e to the power minus log x.
Question number 3. No, dear. I give that Jyoti gave the right answer for the 4th question.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, the answer of question number 3 is x 1 upon x.
Yes, that's the right answer.
Okay. So, ma'am, sign
Questions
inverse.
answered correctly. Now 1 and 2.
Ma'am, which questions are left now?
1 and 2.
And the answer of question number 2 is 2 upon 1 plus x square plus c.
2 upon 1 plus x square plus c. No.
Time up.
Ma'am, answer of 2 is 2x tan inverse x minus log into 1 plus x square plus c. Am I correct?
Almost, but not exactly. What about the
Ma'am,
first?
time up.
Yes, time up. I'm just giving you 2 seconds if you can tell me the first.
Okay, ma'am. Cos हो जाएगा वो.
Jyoti, repeat your answer for the second.
Ma'am, 2x into tan inverse x minus log into 1 plus x square plus c.
Yes, I give that. That is the right answer. The first is gone, so that ends the quiz. 4 questions right for Parijat House.
Ma'am, the answer of question 1 can be pi by 2.
It's always 2i. You forgot that 2i which you took there.
Oh, pi by 4. Oh, shit. Pi by 4. Shit.
Okay. Charu, I hope you're ready with the scores now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Total scores at the end of the quiz.
Ma'am, Champak House is the winner with the point 85.
That's great. Good. Very nice. Bakul?
I pull 41.
41. Good. Very well done, Bakul.
Parijat 63.
63. Just little bit. Missed a little. If you would have answered that one question which came to you in second round, you wouldn't have missed this. Okay, Kamal
Yes,
House?
31.
31. Good. Very well done, children. It is the participation that is more important. Okay, there is a lot of learning that happens when you do such quiz. Writing an answer in the answer sheet is different. Answering like this orally, directly, one-to-one is different experience, isn't it? So, very well done. Very good. Claps to all of you. It is not only one person, but all for participation. Very well done. Very good. Okay. Congratulations to all of you. Winning and losing keeps on happening, but participation is the winner. For us, participating itself is winning the game. Okay. There were nobody else who came forward to participate in the quiz. So that's really good. Thank you, children. Thank you for participating. Very well done. You will get certificates, as I told you, for this quiz. Okay. And you can share your experience. Anyone would like to share some experience?
Ma'am, I would like to say that it is a very good opportunity for all of us to participate in such an online platform and continue with our co-curricular activities in this time of pandemic. If we would have been in school, that would have been a complete different atmosphere as it is always a different approach to different scenarios. So I felt good in participating and getting to know the level and how this thing can be organized on an online platform. Might be my performance or my team's performance would not have been that better or as per my expectations, but this happens. But it was really good. Thank you so much.
Yeah, good. That's what you should have, game spirit. That's fine. It's okay. You missed one small thing, otherwise you wouldn't have. Okay, now Khushi or Akshita, would you like to share something?
Ma'am, it was a nice experience for me also to know about how can we do sums in seconds and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Because it's generally not that we do with that speed.
Yes.
We need to work on our speed also.
Yes. That is the learning that
Ma'am,
you
it also gave us chance to know Professor Ramanujan. So that was also
that's good. That is so good. Yes.
Ma'am, the initiative taken by you for organizing this online quiz, it's so good, and it gave us the confidence also for our future or for our futures competitions and all. So we can prepare for that, and we know what we are good at and we are bad at, so we can focus next time more on that. So it's so good and I loved it.
Very good. In the beginning, I saw your face in the round 2. You were totally demotivated and I was getting frightened. Our motive was, myself and Usha ma'am, what we thought is these 3 chapters are very important for boards for you. I hope now you understand how valuable these 3 chapters are. Okay. For your boards also, they will carry more marks, and what is the trick that is involved in these questions. Okay. As you do when you are solving the textbook, that is different. But when you look at a question like this, the whole thing changes. You don't get that idea which you would have otherwise got it simply.
Ma'am, I would like to say that some questions were repeated. Some questions with common tricks were repeated, so it gave us an idea that how many complex questions can be solved by those common tricks. So that was also very nice part.
Yes, that's good. But one thing I must say that I expected a little more, because we, according to myself and Usha ma'am, we thought it was a very easy quiz. Yesterday we went through the whole quiz, both of us, and we said, "Ye sab to fatafat kar lenge bachche." So when Kamal and Bakul were unable to come up, both of us were getting tense. What is going to happen now? So anyway, they have done well. All of you have done well. That's very nice.
Ma'am, giving answers orally is quite different than writing in paper.
Yes.
It requires speed and concept to be very clear.
Yes. Usha.
Thank you, Achla. You have nicely conducted. Well done. Congratulations, participants. Congratulations to all the participants. All you have done very well. I want to tell you. Otherwise, you all have done very well, no doubt. Okay, now continue in the same way. And Achla ma'am have done a great job for conducting nicely, quiz nicely. Thank you, Achla.
Thank you, Usha ma'am. Thank you. She has been a support to me all the time. She also gave many questions. We both together had made the quiz. And we solved it also together and kept the answers ready for you. Okay. All the best, children.